Okay guys, here's a throwback to the past. You do not find many of these for sale. I have one on my channel that I bought a few years back, and the transmission was bad. I ended up just donating it to the transmission shop. But this is a 1993 with 46,000 miles. Can you believe that? Seriously? Oh man, and it's got leather that looks like brand new. Got a few stains on the carpet, and our headliner's coming down. But dadgum, this thing's clean. I mean, you know, in good shape for the age. 30 years old. Look at this thing. Now this was back when, I mean, we only have one door. This is throwback old school minivan style right here. How cool. Oh, this seat feels great. Yeah, that's only 46,000 miles. Are you kidding me? Infinity sound. God, it's got a CD player. Sounds pretty good, runs pretty good. Now these transmissions were complete garbage though. Let's see if this one will do anything. Yep, we're in business. Man, you want to talk about a thin rim steering wheel. Holy smokes. Thin rimmed. Ooh, brakes are a little hard. Yeah. I think we might need a brake booster very soon. Ooh, hard to stop. But still, it's in very good condition. Runs really well. The air's cold. Oh, yeah. Plenty of power. Whoa, stop this baby. Whoa, plenty of power. Oh my gosh. Look at these old school gauges, man. These old 4-speed automatics, they were called the Ultra Drive, I think. And man, people had to replace these things like crazy. I remember I had a neighbor. They bought one of these new for the family, and I think they had to replace the transmission. I think it was replaced once under warranty, and then once again after the warranty ran out. And I think once the car was about 5 years old, they traded it off. But they did get a new Caravan, and now they have they've never changed. They've had Town and Countries and Caravans, and now they have a Pacifica. The 3.3 V6. That's what my white one had. Runs good. Gonna need a little Freon. I hear the AC compressor kicking on and off. What a really cool van. This is... Oh, gotta have the key to get in back there.
I saw the mileage. I had to stop too.
I know. I mean, it is so cool. Yeah, I'll hand it off to you. You can check it out. Drives pretty good too. Yeah, I've actually had a family did. Yeah.
If it had like a one in front of it, I always would left it alone.
Right. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.